If you are using LEDs bulbs in your house, I know there are lots of burnt bulbs. However, most of the drivers of the bulbs are very good, instead one or few LEDs are burned. So, we can repair it without any additional cost. Shall we see how to do it? Check all the LED bulbs and find the bulbs which are not in good. I have already found the burnt LED bulb and removed it. You can find good LED bulbs from another burnt LED bulb and use those to repair other LED bulbs. If you have watched my previous video, you already know about this unit. You can use to remove and replace LED bulbs using this device. You can see that link above. I hope you have an idea of repairing LED bulbs with this heat ball. If so, do not forget to like, share and subscribe my channel. Stay with SetNFix.